Hi everyone, I'm Bon and welcome to my second daily edition. In this daily edition, I'll be reviewing about my schedule as well as talking about the basics or the information that I talked about analyzing data in my main work. I will also try to underline the importance of analyzing data because it's really important to understand analyzing data, especially in the senior actuary group. Now, for the schedule, each day at 8 to 9:30, I put a total of 1 hour and 30 minutes into my work, except on every day, because in order to maximize my efficiency, I'll need at least that much amount of time each day to complete actuary group. After the meeting, which is on Wednesday, I'll do the actuary meeting and report. On Thursday, I'll do the first daily edition and the instructions for the group. On Friday, I'm going to do the actuarial work, which is covering the second daily edition and the main work. And on Saturday, I'm covering the third daily edition. Monday and Tuesday are for fixing work and commenting or viewing members' work. Now, what I said about analyzing data in my main work was firstly, I needed to collect data and then pick out the main points, which is the start of analyzing data. By picking out the main points, I get the large and significantly impactful points. And from there, I can expand into smaller points, which can support the general idea. Now, lastly, is going to be organizing the representation when analyzing data. So when analyzing data, after analyzing, we have to use it. And in order to use it logically, we have to analyze it further by placing which is the information we want to present in order. So for example, in my schedule, I put my priorities first over entertainment and activities that are not related with education, which is a very logical decision because it will help me boost my knowledge in schoolwork, actuary work, piano, and every other after-school class that I do. Now, the importance of analyzing data. Firstly, it helps pick out valuable data. Although we do get the main points of a paragraph when we collect data, there's still smaller factors that we can get from that paragraph, which can heavily influence our essay, video, representation, charts, bar graphs, etc. Which is why we need to use the skill of analyzing data to pick out valuable data first. Secondly, it assists in the understanding of the data that we're reading, viewing, or watching. Well, this is because if we did not analyze it, so for example, if I just looked at everything and I didn't understand what was going on, I would need to analyze the data in order to understand what I would need to do in that day in order to meet my requirements and knowledge boosts. Lastly, which I have mentioned before, which is to preserve logic. The way that analyzing data preserves logic is by helping the reader, which is me in this case, understand what I'm talking about, as well as organize them in a neat and logical way. So, in conclusion, my schedule is still meeting the minimum requirement, or maybe the maximum, that I need to create the most efficient work as possible. Analyzing data requires collection of data and then picking out the main points and the organization of representation. And the importance of analyzation is underlined at how it helps pick out valuable data, how it assists in the understanding of the data, and how it preserves logic in the organization and representation of data. So that was all for my daily edition 2. Hope you all subscribe to my channel. We almost hit a milestone of 30 subscribers. Thanks a lot for 29 subscribers, and bye.